Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a project share for you today. Just wanted to come back and show you what the project looked like, what I made with Luisa on Wacky Wednesday. This is a die set from SCRAPDIVA Designs, and this is called the hold on. This is the Girl, if you don't tell me your name. Anyway, this is the gingerbread, there it is, the gingerbread purse die set. And, this tape is so strong, it ripped the original bag that it comes in. Gingerbread purse gift box. So I don't know if it's still available. This was gifted to us from BB, who is a friend of ours, Ebony and I. It was for her birthday. I was supposed to go to this meetup and I never made it out of my airport. Anyway, it's neither here nor there. This is what the box looks like. I used some paper from, what is this called? Dang, I'm not prepared. Down the Chimney by DCWV. And then I used some shimmer cardstock from my stash. And to show you, they come with little windows and little awnings. There's even flower pots. I didn't use it, but there is the little gift bag. And I used some magnets to help keep it shut. At first, when I made this, the magnets were not holding the box closed. But what I did, I used my little clothespin to help keep it shut. And now, after a few days, you can hear it. And it stays closed. So, yeah, the only thing here, this is what the flower pot looks like. You know, the little window boxes. It would look like this. I don't know. Yeah. It would look like that. So you could put that at your window. And then the other one is the short window. And I put it like that. But I did not use it. So I just kept it in the box for now. It also comes with a chimney, and you can see it has texture right there. It looks like bricks. I'm going to add that to this box, and what I'm going to do is either add it on the outside. This is the front door. I might add it to the outside like this. In the middle, to the side. I do not want to add it to the edge, closer to the edge, only because I plan on adding a chain onto this box. So it's a little, like a little box handle, like a purse handle. So I'm going to punch some holes on the box and then add my chain onto it. So then it really looks like a purse. So yeah. So that is what I have done so far. Luisa and I are going to be doing a one-on-one swap, and it's going to have Halloween and Christmas combined. And no, we're not going to do Nightmare Before Christmas. We're just going to send each other some goodies to celebrate the Halloween and Christmas, because we both love Halloween and Christmas. So there you go. And I did cut it out, the shingles. I cut these out so many times. Some of the girls managed to cover it with just 4 or 6. I cut mine out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 times for each side. But the fun part about it you get this whole plate. I'll call it a plate. And it cuts it out 4 times. So only had to cut it 3 times for each side. Not really 12 individual pieces over and over and over. So yeah, there is the project. Really quick, simple, easy box to assemble. Was not hard at all. I will just say this, when you're ready to assemble your box, put your layering pieces on first, even your shingles, before you get to making it into a 3-dimensional box. So that's all I have to say about that. So if you enjoyed this video, I know it was really, really quick, please give it a thumbs up. And while you're there, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and join our crafty family. And right there is the notification bell. If you hit the notification bell, that will let you know when I load new videos like this or when I go live here on my channel. So thank you again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.